has made history, as the second phase of the 2025 Assembly elections has broken all previous voting records, showing an unprecedented enthusiasm among voters. Across 243 seats now, the fate of candidates is sealed inside the EVMs. Analysts and political parties are taking note of this surge in public participation. In the second phase, voter turnout reached an impressive 68.74% compared to 65.08% in the first phase. When combined, both phases saw a total turnout of 66.91%, which is the highest ever recorded in Bihar. Compared to the 2020 elections, this represents nearly 10% higher voting in these constituencies and an overall increase of 9.6%. Interestingly, women outvoted men this time, marking a significant shift in voter engagement. Overall, looking at Bihar's history, this surge is politically significant. The previous highest voter turnout was 64.6% in the 1998 Lok Sabha elections. For assembly elections, the year 2000 recorded 62.57% voter turnout, 1990 had 62.04%, and 1995 was 61.79%. Each time, voter turnout crossed the 60% mark, and Bihar experienced major political changes. Historically, increases in turnout have often led to a change in government. In 1967, turnout jumped from 44.5% to 51.5% and Congress lost power. In 1980, it rose from 50.5% to 57.3%, allowing non-Congress parties to form the government. Similarly, in 1990, turnout rose from 56.3% to 62%, leading to the Janata Dal government taking over. This year, turnout increased by 9.8%, and political analysts are closely watching the results to see how it will affect the formation of Bihar's next government. Therefore, all eyes will be on 14 November 2025 when the election results will finally reveal who will lead the state.